Here I have REALME Narzo 50, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to open contacts list, then select contact which you want to add photo, tap on the pencil icon to edit this contact, then tap on the camera icon to edit this photo. You can take a photo or to just select one from the gallery, then select the photo. Here you can crop it and adjust it how you want, and then tap done, and then save. And as you can see, photo to contact added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.